Good morning. This is what it's like here in Jeju, Japan, in my front page. Rice farm, rice field, truck. Yan guys, mga Pilipino dyan, abroad. Mount Fuji yan. Takpan siya. Ayan, Mount Fuji yan. Medyo malabo na yung mata ko. Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji yan. Hospital. And then hospital. Ito apartment yan ng mga doctors and nurses and mga staff ng hospital. Ganito sa umaga dito. Napalibot ng bundok yung lugar ko yan, bundok. Mountains, mountain range, mountain yan, diba? Mountain. Tapos medyo na siya, malamig na siya. Clear sky. Not clear sky. Cloud sky for today. Pero parang uulan siya. Birds singing. Flying around. Gising na. School of birds. They're coming. School of birds. They rest in the wire. Electric wire. They rest in the electric wire.